Partner Chris, may paalala ka na ba dyan?
Yes, eto, mga partners, no? Ito yung paborito ko every Tuesday and Thursday.
Naman.
Ito po yung tax reminder. So, October 1, sabi nga ni ka-partner Randy kanina, end of the month pala ngayon. So, tomorrow, October 1 na ho, deadline, ano ba? Submission ng consolidated return of all transactions based on the reconciled data of stockbrokers. So, ito po ay period covered September 16 to 30, 2025. And also engagement letters and renewals of subsequent agreements for financial audit by independent CPAs. So, fiscal year beginning December 1, 2025. Ayan, mga CPAs, huwag niyo pong kalimutan. Next is October 5, 2025, Sunday. Submission naman po ito ng summary report of certification issued by the President of the National Home Mortgage Finance Corporation. Ito yung Pag-ibig partner. So fiscal year ending, fiscal year beginning December 1, 2025. Next deadline is, yung para po sa Pag-ibig, yung summary report of certification issued by the President of the National Home Mortgage, month of September 2025. Then, October 5, kasama din po dyan yung e-filing and e-payment ng BIR Form 2000. Ito yung monthly documentary stamp tax declaration and return for the month of September 2025, and also BIR Form 2000 OT. Ito yung documentary stamp tax declaration or return for one-time transactions for the month of September 2025. Halimbawa po, nagbenta kayo ng property, nagkaroon po kayo ng estate settlement, yan po yung ating deadline. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan, every 5th day of the month.